Hi, welcome to my channel. A quick video today. Follow me to learn 2 Chinese words according to different tones only. There are Taiwan and Taiwan. Now follow me to write. Taiwan and Taiwan, Taiwan, too late, Taiwan, Taiwan. For example, don't go back to Taiwan too late. Don't go back to Taiwan too late.别太晚回台湾。别太晚 too late. 回 go back. 台湾 don't go back to Taiwan too late. 别太晚回台湾。太晚 too late. Taiwan, Taiwan, don't go back to Taiwan too late. 别太晚回台湾。别太晚回台湾。Okay, that's all for today. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.